Hey guys, Wade here from Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on DNA profiling, which is taken from the November 2016 DBE exam. So let's jump in. We're given this diagram where we have DNA from a crime scene and DNA from three suspects, Mo, Joe, and Tom. The procedure shown above is called A, cloning, B, DNA replication, C, DNA profiling, or D, fingerprinting. So, when we have these DNA sequences from each of the crime scene and from each of the suspects, typically this procedure is known as DNA profiling. So the answer is C, DNA profiling. And what the purpose of this is to try and link the DNA from the suspects to the DNA from the crime scene. So we're not cloning, we are not repeating DNA, and we're not taking fingerprints. If it was DNA fingerprinting, that would be the same as basically DNA profiling. So we'll just accept C, DNA profiling, and that'll give you a mark. Before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. But for more epic videos, check out our website, and just a shout out to our sponsor. You can find all their details down in the description below, as well as our details. Until next time, stay epic.